If you uploaded a video and it got 0 views, like not even those 2 views where you're checking to make sure that it uploaded correctly, I need you to hear this. This doesn't mean that your video is bad. It doesn't mean that YouTube hates you. And it definitely doesn't mean that you're shadow banned, cursed, or personally blocked by the algorithm. It means that YouTube is collecting data. When I uploaded my very first videos, I fully expected silence. And somehow, when it happened, it still stung a little. Because 0 views feels personal. It feels like, oh, so everyone got together and collectively agreed, no. But YouTube isn't rejecting you. It doesn't even know who you are yet. You're basically new here, and new doesn't get judged, it gets observed. Behind the scenes, YouTube isn't deciding if you're worthy. It's asking questions. Very boring questions, but very important questions. Like, who is this video for? Who might care about this? Are they watching or are they clicking away immediately? Early on, YouTube has no context. So it starts small. Sometimes so small that it feels personal. 0 views doesn't mean that your video failed. It just means that YouTube hasn't figured out who you are yet. What surprised me the most about starting YouTube wasn't the work. It was how much space there is to overthink. When nothing happens after you upload, your brain starts making this narrative. And it is not a neutral narrator. It starts rewriting the story and saying, oh,
this isn't going anywhere. You're not cut out for this. YouTube hates you. Maybe this just isn't for you.
But the truth is, nothing is actually going wrong yet. There just isn't enough information. And our brains are really uncomfortable with that. Sometimes we expect our first video to behave like somebody else's 100th, which is kind of wild. You don't go into the gym once and then get upset that you don't have abs by Friday. Your early videos aren't meant to perform. They are just meant to exist. They're practice. They're training data. They're proof that you showed up again. Not exciting, but necessary. So instead of asking, why is nobody watching? Try asking, did I upload even when it felt uncomfortable? Did I learn something from this? Did I give YouTube more information than it had before? Because every upload adds context. Every video reduces uncertainty. Every early post helps YouTube understand you a little bit more, even when it feels like you're posting into the void. If your video has 0 views right now, don't treat that as a verdict. Treat it as step 1. The conversation hasn't even started yet, but it can't start if you leave. Keep uploading, keep improving, and let the algorithm do its very boring job. Because silence isn't failure, but quitting is. If you're a new creator and you're navigating this stage too, you're not alone. And you're not behind. You can subscribe if you want to grow along with me. I'll see you in the next one.